Hello everyone, this is Mr. Sujin and welcome back to my channel Cycle Balai Yogi. Today I came in Lucknow and I am going to explore Lulu Mall. So you can see here in my background there is a Lulu Mall, and so you can see here this is a beauty of the Lucknow, and I am exploring all India by my cycle, and let's come with me in exploring the Lulu Mall. So come with me. Mall, and this is India largest mall, and in situated in Lucknow, and today I'm going to explore and make video vlogging. So guys, this is a parking area of the Lulu Mall, and today I'm going to park my bicycle. You can see here, guys, I park my bicycle here, and this is the basement of the Lulu Mall, and here there is a lot of vehicles who is already parked here, and I think this is a too much area, and there is a four-wheeler parking, and that way there are so many four-wheelers are going there, and you can see here. I am waiting for the lift because I want to go for second floor. Guys, this is the entrance of the Lulu Mall, and we have know already that this is the Asia largest mall, and so many people are came here. So guys, too much crowd is here, and where yeah, today is it is a day of the Raksha Bandhan, and so many people are came with their sisters, and guys, Lulu Mall fashion customer service, and today this is the first time that I came here, and guys, I'm going to first floor because there is a Mahindra advertisement, and that is why I'm going to. So guys, this is escalator that I'm using the escalator, and I'm going to. So guys, this is an advertisement of the Mahindra EV car, and today I'm going to explore, and what is this, the Mahindra car. So guys, I have no idea about this car because I have not seen, and Mahindra BE. Also, I'm lover of the car because I love car, because I have to go with car and explore the India through the car, and there is a mileage up, upping the what to say, I have no idea, but this is a Mahindra XCV 9E model. You can see here this is too much crowd, and so many people are coming here, and they are exploring the. This is a newly launched in India. This is a Mahindra company XCV 9E. This is fully electric vehicle, and in the seat, if I am going to this is fully. This is fully. This is first time in India. Guys, I'm on the first floor of the Lulu Mall, and you can see here this is a crowd of the Lulu Mall. And here. What is this? I'm going to explore because I'm newly new in Lucknow, and that is why I'm going to explore the Lulu Mall, and too much crowd is here. So I will use the escalator. Through the escalator, I will go the second floor, and so guys, this is the escalator, and through the escalator, I'm going the second floor. And, so guys, this is there is a two vehicle. This is fully electric and Mahindra company is advertising. And this is a second floor, and the second floor I think this is higher second floor, and I went to first floor for seeing the advertisement of the Mahindra vehicle, and now in the second floor, and I will go. This is a Lulu Mall fashion, men and women kids, all of this. Yeah. Someone is saying that if you want to go, then you have to put on the things, and you have to keep on all the things. Then you will go and buy the clothes. They are supporting me, and they are saying this is all. So guys, uh, this is also 70% off. I saw Judio store in the Lulu Mall, and so many people are they are going and coming, and they are buying some clothes from the Judio store in Lulu Mall, and also this is too much crowd in Mathura is Raksha Bandhan. Here, candles which are right. This is your store of the Lulu Mall, and there are so many different type of. So you can see there your my brother is here, and yeah. So guys, hi कर दीजिए. तो गाइस देख सकते हैं अभी मैं हूँ लुलु मॉल के अंदर, और अभी आया हूँ. बहुत सारे शूज़ लगे हुए हैं, लेडीज़ भी है, मेंस भी हैं, और जैसे भी मतलब जिस भी ब्रांड के खोजेंगे भाई उस भी ब्रांड के मिल जाएगा. एंड हियर इज ब्रांड of the shoes, but the sir is they are getting angry. What to say? Sandals here, especially the children, but the sir is getting angry. Hundred shoes here, and we regret any inconvenience. I see so many advertisements. Today I got my ball, but they are branded. But today I got the branded. I have no idea where to go. You can never branded local small here. Here we get 25% off small wallet branded. Right. We also store of the walls, and this is store of the watches. If you need any type of watches, branded watches, so you can come here and you can buy easily you can get. And here is the store of the I think males and females both are here. These are here. Then you can come here. Yeah, the kids wear any type of the kids need like for the babies. If you have the baby need, then you can This is a baby product. So if there is a need of baby product, so you can come here and explore the Lulu Mall and it is it and here I found there is a Woodland store and Woodland product. Yeah, I'm going to explore the Woodland product. There is a 40% off. Yeah, and there is a another and the size is MRP price is 12,995. It is too much costly for me. You know that I am like I'm coming from the middle class family. That's why I'm saying that I'm not. This is not affordable for me, and it is a different type of branded. But this is a store of the branded of the Woodland, and if you want to, what may I say? I have no idea. There are different bags, watches, goggles, different type of products. So you can see here is jackets, jeans, all the products. This story is especially for the woodland spice. I'm going to here. This is also the brand of the killer. They are getting angry with me. But guys, I think this floor is only for the wearing any type of clothes and sandals. I think I have to go on another floor for this is especially for the home products. And Davies, the brand of the Japan, and there is also the soap of the Indian garage, Indian garage. Sorry, guys. And, this is another product of the Moshi. If you need, then you will come. And in first floor there is a artificial plant, not a natural plant. So guys, this is a artificial plant is planted here, and but the people are not favored with the natural plant. They are promoting in the Lulu Mart artificial plant, and here the American tourister, different type of bags are here. Luggage, luggage bags are also here, and guys, here also the luggage baggage are also available. If there is a need, then we will come. And, here is also luggage. So guys, where to go? What this I have no idea. This is digitally, only digitally. So guys, you can see the Lulu Mall. On the third floor, there is a different type of julas there. So I'm going on the third floor. And to go that side, show you different type of. There is also canteen here. It's like restaurants. Yeah, I think right. Using the escalator to the escalator, I'm going to take third floor of the room. So many people are watching me, what the people are behaving like this and why to do it. And they are like I'm stranger for the people, but I'm working the I am working the they are mindset about it. Mini Contra here, and this is totally for the kids to panic. There are different doulas here, and also here is a popcorn. And there is a need of popcorn, then you will. Guys, if you are the why if you are the fond of the gaming, then also here, and there is a little kids who is playing this game. This is totally guys मजा ही आएगा क्या ही मतलब and also different type of cultures like water and grass. There is a horse there and guys I don't know. So many asking if there is a part that will allow you, then you will go. Otherwise, you will. Firstly, you have to take card, then you will go because without taking audit, there is no allowance of the. And you can see there is a too much crowd and different type of jhulas here. You can see a different type of jhula. Guys, they are they are giving the card. Firstly, you have to take the card, then you will go. But I will not take card because you know too much costly. But what's the price of the card? I have no idea. Firstly, you can see here there is a different type of card. Here.
क्या बना रहे हो?
Vlog. Yeah. Asking me that what are you doing? Then I said that I'm making vlog. But what to do? This is my work and whatever we are doing here. And here is another one of the fun. Here after the laughing jars, laughing stories actually here. And I think this road is only for the if you are fond of anything, then you will come. Like fast food. Drink here. too much crowded. And this floor is especially for the food. If there is a no of the any type of food item, so you will come here and you will enjoy because there is a too much crowd. And I'm going to see here. This is the main road, not national highway, but this is the side of the national highway. I think this is a national highway out there. So you can see this is a umbrella. My umbrella is also with me. And so I think I have to go on another breath and another floor, guys. Sorry, another floor because this is especially for the food item. And if you need food, then you will come. And too much people are here. So what to do, what to do not, really depends on me. And also the different type of branded shop is here, store is here, and I have no idea. This is a Naturello, but the pronunciation is Rasna's words, Rasna one. So guys, this is also a different type of lollipop is here. If you are the fan of the lollipop, then usually you can take here. And here is, I think this is a restaurant, and this is a very VIP restaurants here. Besides there, if you are Mohan pizzas here, this is totally from the Mokhtar, and also the wine and beer is also available. And oh guys, I saw different type of the restaurant is here. If you need, then you will visit. And also there is a regal chef restaurant is also here. One by one, there is a number of the restaurant. They are crowding the Lulu Mans. Right. But here is book items. Yeah, and I also fond of the book because book have too much knowledge. If you are like this, this is Narendra Modi 370 articles. You know that 370 article is very controversial topic, and there is a book is available, and also Hanuman Age in the AI age. So there is a lot of the book, and you can hear and you can buy and explore and you can read. And there is, I think, a stationery product here. That store, India, the Taj Mahal. This is the beauty of the Taj Mahal. So guys, uh, you can see India Taj Mahal, land of dream and fantasy. What to say? And also different type of book is here. I have no idea. I saw first time this type of book, and I think this book is 50% of half price. Smart arms. My God, what is this? The small arms trade, and all the books are 50% off on that store. And I saw oh, Ratan Tata is here. You know that Ratan Tata now is no more. But and I like this book because you know that there is Gaur Gopal Das, and I also watching on on video on YouTube and also back here. But Amazing Friends, they also different type of the books are also sub the course. Any type of dictionary that you will take and AI first mindset and also different type of branded pens. And any need any type of umbrella, then you will take and I. Different type of smart TV, smart, sir is saying to me you cannot block, but there is a yeah बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर
हेलो
ये हमारे सर हैं जो सो सर ये मतलब फुली रिलायंस रिलायंस कंपनी के सारे प्रोडक्ट हैं
सारे सारे सारे
सारे
बैठ
हैं और ये मतलब ये जो ये भी रिलायंस की है
नहीं 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 ये तो है
मैकबुक मैकबुक प्रो and you can see here there is a lot of the branded uh, TVs and I have to go and explore the all the product electrical product which is situated here and also if you are branded of the if you are fond of the gaming then there is also smart watch also available here yeah blog नहीं allow नहीं
नहीं ये कुछ नहीं रहा ये तो बंद कर दो
okay sir is saying that there is no need of the camera but yeah okay, I'm just going but you can see there is a lot of the branded yeah सर इन सर कह रहे हैं कि वीडियो को यहाँ पर अलाउंस नहीं है लेकिन फिर भी क्या कर सकते हैं सारी चीज़ें नहीं किए भाई और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर छोटे बच्चों को सारे प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएंगे भाई यहाँ पर आने के बाद देखने में सारी चीज़ें अच्छी लगती हैं लेकिन too much costly what may I do so you know that and here there is all the things are which are drinkable and eatable and also the home accessories product is here सर पावर बैंक मिल जाएगा सर पावर बैंक मिल जाएगा
क्या
पावर बैंक दिखा दीजिएगा देर ये पावर बैंक की अफोर्डेबल देना है मिलते ये कितने की है
2000 की आपकी 1000 की तो वायरलेस वायर दोनों है फास्ट चार्जिंग भी है
तो इसका ये हो जाएगा वायरलेस मतलब
इसमें पिक्चर होगा तो हो जाएगा नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा
और कितने इमेज का है
10,000 में से
ये कितने बोल रहे हैं 1000
पिक्सल 6 भैया पिक्सल 6 की कवर होगा
और ये
पिक्सल 6 नहीं है
guys on this 100 floor I can tell you only about your fitness about your if there is a need of any type of gain then the Cricket match is also available. So guys, जो भी हम लोग वीडियो टीवी वगैरह में देखते हैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पर अवेलेबल है और देखो गाइस लाइक very different type of beverages also available here and here is here is also different type of the beverage also here. Storage only totally for the electrical gas. Yeah. Yes, sir. Camera or allowed नहीं है? There is also if you are getting tired for lifting the reservoir, there is also exercise here available just only 100 rupees. And you will, after using this chair, you will feel like relaxed. And there is also war PVR Super Legs theater is also here. If there is a need, then you will go and enjoy. And here is different type of putulas for the children. Homeless homeless play. भाई क्या क्या है मैं तो कुछ बोर ही हो जाऊंगा कभी सारा बच्चों का खिलौना सारा प्रोडक्ट ही मिल जाएगा भाई देख सकते हैं काफ़ी बेहतरीन लग रहा है यहाँ पर सारा यहाँ पर डाटा लिखा हुआ है और एक शेफ दिलही हाइट्स नाम से एक कैफ़े है कैफ़े एक तरह से कह सकते हैं रेस्टोरेंट है और हियर इज आल्सो रेस्टोरेंट I think I have to go